What's up, y'all? It's your boy Skyreach23 coming back to y'all with another video. And as y'all can see, man, we got the cars back outside. As y'all can see, we got a new addition to the team. The orange right there, the orange Charger. Let me show y'all the orange Charger real quick. 345 Daytona. As y'all can see, lane hog. Say move over in the front. Daytona on the rims. Interior looking crazy. Big Daytona. You got 345 right here. But yeah, y'all see we got the cars out. Y'all seen these before in the last one, but we finna cut up again and do some other stuff and have some fun, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, as you can see, I got the big camera out today. Yeah. Ali, let me hear you. Let me hear you. Alright, let's do it.
Big party time at the park.
Pops over here trying to walk.
You know what I'm saying? We got the throwback thunders, you know. That's number one. Number two. Number four. Ready.
Let's do it. So yeah, y'all, this camera is so close, but we gonna try to film as much as we can.
Man, to do the jump, boy, ride out in the goddamn Desert Stone. They're like too fast, too furious. Oh, with the two black in the front.
Yeah.
He float flying.
Yeah, seatbelt pop.
Oh, yeah, ring. I need that seatbelt. Don't get the seatbelt and you gonna get arrested. Or get that 500,000 ticket. You don't want the 500,000 ticket, do you? Got it all scat packaged out.
Pop?
Oh shit, scat pack, baby. Scat pack. I bet they looking like, God damn.
God dang. Man.
Make that little mother look so bad.
Man.
Look at him trying to speed up. Put that little 6-7 up.
Man, let him know. Put that old V6 up, man.
Old V6. That's a feel like you're too fast and the furious.
Yeah.
You know that motherfucker get ready to race.
He like that, like Snoop Dogg.
Yeah, I'm a little old Saturday.
Man.
Yeah, I'm old little Saturday. Ooh, that boy got that power.
It's like never turn. Hey! God dang! Subscribe, y'all better subscribe. Yes, sir.
That motherfucker looks sweet. Look at him.
Y'all see the line up. We not playing out here, y'all. Ooh, show me something. Come on, take off. Oh, scat packs. Police and everything up there. It's like a car crash or something. Hey. About to go another way.
Scat back, scat back. Scat back, scat back.
Yeah.
Scat back, scat back. And letting you boys know that, you know, we scat back out of here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't need to be focusing on the focus of YouTube, baby.
Y'all can see they got something going on over there. I'm not quite sure, but they got this all blocked out, so we gotta cut down this way, cut to the left or something. Definitely can't go this way, so I'm gonna put this camera down because I don't want to get caught by no police though. But yeah, police or whatever. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on though. Bro said we going through the Walmart with it. All the old people finna start coming out.
Start coming and blocking everything.
Man. It's a little security right there. They ain't finna catch my plate right there. We ain't doing that security. We just rolling through.
Yeah, they ain't gonna do nothing though.
Man.
Like, oh shit, they too fast for me.
Man. I gotta stand in security.
Leave that little Ford.
Man. Black Challenger go?
Yeah. Somebody missing.
The Challenger? He must be stuck. There it is. There he is.
Right there.
Yeah. About to say, you better come on, man.
Just stuck at the light.
So I decided to pull out the phone because it's gonna give y'all a wider POV view. Yeah, y'all can see a lot more in the phone, so that's why I don't use the camera. Sounds so good.
Good ass son. Summertime shit.
I told y'all I was gonna use a pattern shifter, so I'm gonna use pattern shifters for y'all this video too. I see you vibing, you feel me? You cruising with us.
Yes, sir. Man, you get into some stuff like this, you will get me out the house.
Yes, sir. Using them paddles.
Schooling downtown. Never come this way.
Yeah.
This spot. Stop sign now, yeah.
Yep.
They were trying to around, yeah. Me too, some shit. Got to the way, boy. That's how rich life is.
Yeah.
You got your little lane cars going racing. Breathing good.
Yeah. You go with this, Pops? Yeah. He be going crazy in that scat pack.
Little putt.
Yeah. Man, hey, what are you doing? What you got going on?
Construction. I see the lights. Okay, everybody put their wings down. Let's fly. God damn it.
Why they slowing down? Like, yeah, yeah.
Buttermilk cookie.
Well, dang. All right, y'all, we done made it to Mishawaka. They said it's supposed to be a car meet over here at the Sporting Goods, so that's where we heading to right now. And Blahzai skippy like that, no cap. We definitely rolling, as y'all can see. Definitely rolling. I thought they had their window down. I was finna mess them up. I said, I thought they had their window down. I was gonna mess them up. We be out here making other cars look so regular. Man. Oh, them guys are just too loud. They restaurant nasty.
Charge people $100 for one plate.
Man, it's just nothing. They ain't got no flavor on their food. Now Cheddar's is a different one. That much good. Cheddar's is good. Best food you ever have. Mm-hmm. Burgers, all that. The dip be so good. Engine be wanting to jump out the truck. if they here. Dang, did they cancel it? It was on the other side. See my cousin over there. So I see my cousin.
Probably black.
Yeah.
Black soul.
I know he finna do like a donut. Oh, no, he ain't do it. Huh? Yeah, they cool up in South Bend here. And it's such a big of a city, they ain't gonna find us like that. They gotta cover all South Bend and Mishawaka and Granger. Oh, Target. Okay. Yeah, he going the right way. I'm thinking Target over here. Fool all up this strip right here. Woo! Look at him. He don't want no smoke with us. Yeah, little Audi.
Little beauty.
They want to be cool so bad. You can't hang with the Mopars gang.
Nice car, but too bad.
You gotta go. You ain't got no muscles. That one over there pooted. They scared. Yeah. I'm about to say, where they at? Okay, we over here. We finna pull up deep on them. Oh, this from me, Pot. Everybody looking too. God dang. They got that mother beat. sir. Yeah, am I right? What, this? Yeah, I know. Man. I get it. Huh? How loud it is? I'll keep it in there. I'm gonna just use the phone for this content. Ooh. Y'all see, we had to bring the big boys outside, you feel? Had to bring the big boys outside. Came up rolling deep. We came in rolling deep, team. You feel me?
I seen a Challenger somewhere out here, the red one. I don't know why.
It's a Challenger? He need to come on down here.
Hey, man, they come over here, we all stop.
Huh? Man, we all stop. We got nothing to do. What y'all got going?
I don't know, bro.
It look good though. This is a good lineup.
Now, as long as I just text Dave, see if he was good.
Man, he need to come on. We need him.
He probably gonna say forget it though.
Yeah.
I'm cold as fuck.
I got my
They
thing.
get cold.
I swear I got my coated. I'm over here shaking like crazy.
I want to do a video, but they playing it.
Well, it's like bass. Like you really ain't gonna hear what they saying type stuff. That's why I be having this right here. So like all that stuff.
Yeah, I looked at it. They was out of stock when I
Oh, they was.
yeah, my wife was out. She went to go look for it.
I think I had got one of the last ones.
Don't sleep on them.
Was that a turbo?
Yeah.
God dang. Let me see under the hood. See if it's for real. Was that a turbo? Turbo?
Oh yeah, that's definitely your brother.
That's why I say I like that sibling.
Definitely your brother.
See, they checking out the Mopars, me and no kid. We came in so deep. I love that.
I'm like, man, where Dave at?
Yeah,
That's
that.
two.
Man. Two more.
Yeah, I just texted him. He ain't texted back. That's why I said, oh, it's 8 o'clock.
Man.
This is bedtime, bro. Right.
And we all
Not
looking.
bedtime.